I'm so excited to be partnering with Old World Quality Foods. Their mustards are seriously next level. They come in all these amazing flavors, and let me tell you, they're the real deal. These aren't your average grocery store mustards. We're talking authentic recipes, timeless flavors. Here's how I used the Russian-style mustard in a delicious open-faced pork sandwich. I coated my pork in flour, garlic, salt, and pepper, then gave it the egg and breadcrumb treatment. I fried it up golden brown and set it aside. I also air-fried my bacon because crispy bacon is a must. Sunny side up delight, can't go wrong with a perfectly fried egg. Now it's time to build the dream. Toasted a brioche bun with olive oil and Italian seasoning, then slathered it with that amazing Russian-style mustard. I also added Havarti cheese, lettuce, onion, their sweet cucumber salad, which by the way is seriously good, bacon, and of course, the stars of the show, the pork and the egg. It's time to devour it! This sandwich was an explosion of flavor and textures. The mustard added the perfect tangy kick, and the cucumber salad was a refreshing touch. Thanks Old World Quality Foods for reminding me that food should be a source of joy and connection.